Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove AM and PM from time in Excel. If we want to switch our time format to the 24-hour style or clean up our spreadsheet's formatting, this tutorial is for us. On our Microsoft Excel dashboard sample, we can see the AM/PM displayed here, and we want to remove it. We do not need to type anything at all. All we need to do is highlight the time or the cell we want to change. Once we have highlighted it, we just right-click and then click Format Cells. Once we are in the Format Cells menu, we need to choose Time from the category list. From here, we just pick the format we want. There is a 24-hour format available. To remove AM and PM, we simply select this 24-hour time format. Once we click that option, the format will update. As we can see, there is no longer any AM or PM. The time is now in a 24-hour format, so once it goes past 12, it will show as 13:41, for example. This lets us change the time format in Excel so it no longer displays AM or PM. It is a simple way to adjust the cell formatting so we can display time in a 24-hour format, or customize it based on our needs. And that's it. Now we know how to remove AM and PM from time in Excel.